Okay, in this example, we've got Roblox, and I want to show you how this character in the green shirt, we get a shift in point of view. We're starting out here seeing what he sees. His back is to us, and we can see over his shoulder this criminal guy here. Now, this we call it's still third person because we're looking at him, but we also see what he sees. So when we're looking over a character's shoulder like this, that is called close third person. Now, he's going to move. So let's see uh, where he goes. What happens when he moves? Okay, we're still in close third. We're still in close third. Okay, now here we're seeing what he sees. Let me back up a little. Okay, we're in close third here, kind of looking up, but still seeing what he sees. Okay, close third person. Now, we're going to shift into first person where we see what he sees. Okay, watch. Here, he's looking at this criminal guy. We don't see the guy in the green shirt anymore. We don't see that character anymore. We're looking through that character's eyes. That's called first person. Okay, it's like we're inside his head looking through his eyes in first person. Now there's going to be another shift. Let's look for it. Still in first person. Still in first person. We're looking through this guy's eyes. Okay, now there's a shift. We can see the character. So we've pulled out to third person, but we see what he sees. So it's still a close third person. We see what he sees. Let's see if there's one more shift. Okay, see, for just a split second, let me back up a tiny bit. Just for a split second, there was a shift in point of view. Watch. Oh, we're still in close I missed it. But when he turned around and we saw his face, that's a distant third person. We're looking at him. We are not seeing through his eyes anymore. That's a distant third. In this game, Roblox, you only go into distant third very briefly for a second or two. This is mostly either first person or close third person.